Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a 9:16 timeline at 1080x 1920 and choose 30 or 60 FPS so the aspect ratio matches shorts. Once done, import your vertical clips and quickly mark out points to keep only the strongest moments. This saves time during edits. Make sure to generate optimized media or proxies if footage is heavy. This prevents stuttering while you cut. Then arrange primary clips on V1 and leave space above for text or graphics. This is the foundation for fast, efficient editing. Now focus on rhythm. Trim to punchy moments using the cut page and refine on the edit page with ripple deletes and slip edits so cuts land on action. Once clips feel tight, add a music bed and sound effects, then use Track Mixer or Fairlight to duck music under dialogue. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Make basic color adjustments with one node for exposure and contrast, and use a subtle LUT only if it enhances skin tones. This keeps visuals consistent throughout the short. Finish by adding clear titles and a bold end card. Position text inside a 10% safe margin so it won't be cropped on YouTube. Once done, export using H.264 MP4, 1080x 1920, and 8 to 12 Mbps bitrate for a good balance of quality and upload speed. Make sure metadata and thumbnail are set before upload. If something goes wrong, audio out of sync or clips scaling incorrectly, relink optimized media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.